Convert time delta to years? I need to check if some number of years have been since some date. Currently I've got time delta from datetime module and I don't know how to convert it to years.
You need more than a timedelta to tell how many years have passed. You also need to know the beginning, or ending, date. It's a leap year thing. Your best bet is to use the dateutil.relativeDelta object, but that's a third-party module. If you want to know the datetime that was in years from some date, defaulting to right now, you can do the following. If you'd rather stick with the standard library, the answer is a little more complex. If it's 229 and 18 years ago, there was no 229, this function will return 228. If you'd rather return 31, just change the last return statement to read. Your question originally said you wanted to know how many years it's been since some date. Assuming you want an integer number of years, you can guess based on 365.2425 days per year, and then check using either of the yearsalgo functions defined above.
If you're trying to check if someone is 18 years of age, using time delta will not work correctly on some edge cases because of leap years. For example, someone born on January 1st 2000, will turn 18 exactly 6,575 days later on January 1st 2018, 5 leap years included, but someone born on January 1st 2001, will turn 18 exactly 6,574 days later on January 1st 2019. 4 leap years included. Thus, if someone is exactly 6,574 days old, you can't determine if they are 17 or 18 without knowing a little more information about their birth date. The correct way to do this is to calculate the age directly from the date, by subtracting the 2 years, and then subtracting 1 if the current month/day precedes the birth month/day.
First off, at the most detailed level, the problem can't be solved exactly. Years vary in length, and there isn't a clear right choice for year length. That said, get the difference in whatever units are natural, probably seconds, and divide by the ratio between that and years. For example. Or whatever. Stay away from months, since they are even less well defined than years. Here's a updated dog function, which calculates birthdays the same way humans do.